Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this Tamiya T3-01 Dancing Rider Trike kit. This is an 8th scale 3-wheel self-riding motorcycle. It should be an interesting RC kit. I can't wait to drive this around. I will be building this kit live here on my YouTube channel this Sunday, May 21st, 2023 at 8 a.m. Pacific time. I'll show you what tools and supplies you'll need and how to build this RC tricycle. Let's not waste any more time and open this box. All right, let's dive right in here. And the first thing that catches my eye is the driver figure. All right, it's going to be pretty cool. And the second bag looks like it's going to be the Trike chassis. So we have the left and right there. And then that's other part of the chassis, probably the lower half. And then we have some other components right here. All right, and these are going to be, looks like it's going to be the forks. And that looks like it's going to be kind of where the seat area is right here. And I think these are going to be part of the damper, and that's probably part of the front fork. We shall see. And those are the forks themselves. These 4 pieces right here. I don't know. I will find out. It's going to be an interesting build. And looks like a body post right there. Right, and this has more parts of the body. We have the engine compartment, and that looks like it's the cover. We have some bracing here, and that looks like the front wheel cover. And then on the other side, I think that is a... You know what? I don't know what that is, but this looks like a motor mount to me, and that's probably a part of that as well. Probably the pinion gear cover. And I just see some other components there. And this bag I'll set aside for now. We have... This is a part difference low instruction manual. Refer to the codes below when ordering replacement parts. Okay. That's a sheet, kind of addendum to the parts list. This is the window masking. In this case, it's going to be quite a bit of masking for such a small car. And these are the decal itself. Notice there are number of decals just for the driver itself. You can pick the eye color, or you can just pick the shades. And of course the odometer, some of the instrument panels. That's pretty cool. And this is a disclaimer that comes with every Tamiya RC car. Antenna tube. And this is the driver figure instructions, how to assemble it and how to paint it. And here is the assembly instructions, the painting instructions for the body itself. It's going to be interesting. I'm going to save that for last because it's always last. I'm going to take this out. Yeah, here's the body shell itself. Looks like it's going to need some cutting and trimming, and of course a lot of masking and painting. Pretty cool though. Here are the 3 wheels. These are going to be the 2 rear ones, and this is going to be the front wheel. Right, here is the manual itself. I'm going to review this before the live stream on Sunday just to make sure I'm familiar with it. All right, let me set this aside. Let's see what's in here. Let's try to dig out the parts bag. So this is the A parts bag. And I just see a lot of screws and pins this time. I see a couple, I see a spring there and maybe a couple shafts, maybe for dampers. I see a tube of grease there, and I never use those, by the way. Let's see what's in the B parts bag. Got the cross wrench, double-sided tape, some zip ties. And that looks like it's the servo saver, some screws, ball stud, and just a lot of miscellaneous screws and washers. The C parts bag, I see the body clip. These are probably going to be for the front handle, the front forks. Some more shafts, lots of screws in here, and some more washers. So that's the C parts bag. And this is the front wheel. And these two are going to be the rear wheels. This looks like it's going to be the gearbox. This is all the gears. There's an interesting way the differential comes together, and you'll see on Sunday. It's different from a regular touring car. I've only seen this one other time. And here's the servo saver itself. And of course, this tiny 370 brushed motor that comes with it. So we're going to need a few more things to build this kit. Either a hump battery or the battery case, which I am waiting for in the mail. It's going to hold 4 AA batteries. We're going to need ball bearings, which I already have. We're going to need ESC, a servo, and of course the radio system. And if you guys want to watch me build this kit, click on the video thumbnail on the screen now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with a friend. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.